Hey guys, in this video I'm talking about International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day 2021. All you need to know about its theme, history and significance. International Day of Yoga 2021 to be observed today, Monday, June 21st. Carries the theme Yoga for Well-being. Much relevant for our times in a society still recovering from the impact of the coronavirus disease pandemic. International Day of Yoga is celebrated with much fervor every year on June 21st. This year, the International Yoga Day 2021 will be celebrated on Monday, today, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address 7 such event at 6:30 am. The theme for the National Day of Yoga this year is Yoga for Wellness, a motto aligned for the current precaution as it is an event of a global scale. Preparation for the International Yoga Day event usually begin 3-4 months prior, ultimately culminating in a grand program where millions of people come together to observe spiritual history and significance of the day. International Yoga Day 2021 theme. 2021 International Day of Yoga to be observed today, Monday, June 21st, carries the theme Yoga for Well-being, much relevant for our times in a society still recovering from the impact of the coronavirus disease pandemic. The COVID-19 plight was not just a physical crisis, it also left lasting impacts on mental health, with many left in physiological suffering, depression, and anxiety. Dealing with a pandemic necessitated restriction and loss. Yoga can come to the help of people dealing with such crises, the United Nations explained, since the message of the practice is to promote both physical and mental health. The idea for an UN mandated International Day of Yoga was first proposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. In his speech, Prime Minister Modi called yoga an invaluable gift for India's ancient tradition and called for the harmony between man and nature through yoga. This initiative was backed by as many as 177 nations, the highest number of co-sponsors even for any UNGA resolution of such a nature. So, India is celebrating the 7th International Day of Yoga virtually due to the coronavirus pandemic. The lead program of the event held by the Union Ministry of Ayush began at 6:30 am. During this program, Union Minister of State for Ayush Kiran Rijiju and Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation. During his address, PM Modi announced that India, along with nation and WHO, is launching an app called M Yoga, aiming to provide easy access to yogic practice all over the world. Meanwhile, images from various parts of the country emerged showing people marking the World Yoga Day by practicing yoga in small groups. So, yoga is an ancient Indian practice that helps in maintaining physical and mental well-being, and over the years it has found popularity in other countries as well. In 2014, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi proposed marking as a day as the International Day of Yoga in his addresses at the UN General Assembly, and the proposal was endorsed by 175 member states, post which the United Nations recognized June 21st as the day of celebrate yoga. Over the past 1.5 years, yoga has gained more importance due to the coronavirus pandemic, and accordingly the theme for International Day 2021 has been decided by the UN to be Yoga for Well-being. So do yoga and keep healthy. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon too. Thanks for watching. Happy International Yoga Day.